The Supreme Court has suddenly become the dominant election issue in the United States. Donald Trump says he's going to move forward with filling a vacancy this week. Democratic challenger Joe Biden says with early voting already underway, that's simply wrong.
The people of this nation are choosing their future right now as they vote. To jam this nomination through the Senate is just an exercise in raw political power. And I don't believe the people of this nation will stand for it.
President Trump told a rally in South Carolina on Saturday he's sending his nomination for consideration to the Senate this week.
It will be a woman, a very talented, very brilliant woman, who I haven't chosen yet, but we have numerous women on the list.
There are thought to be two leading candidates. Amy Coney Barrett is an appeals court judge, a favourite of Conservatives, and has been considered for earlier vacancies. And there's Barbara Lagoa, a Latin woman from Florida, which would be the more political choice. But the White House might not be able to push through any nomination before the election. In the last 45 years, the process has taken on average 68 days. The election is just over 40 days away. And there's questions about the president even making a nomination before November the 3rd. Texas Republican Senator Ted Cruz is in no doubt.
In order for a Supreme Court nomination to go forward, you have to have the president and the Senate. In this instance, the American people voted. They elected Donald Trump.
But there's potential for the court to become the centre of a constitutional crisis. If Republicans can't push through a nomination before the election, they may try to do it before the inauguration on January the 20th. But if Joe Biden wins that election, that could cause problems. The Democratic leader of the House says they have ways to delay a nomination.
We have our options. We have arrows in our quiver that I'm not about to discuss right now. But the fact is, we have a big challenge in our country.
Republicans see the vacancy as an opportunity to change the face of the Supreme Court, securing a Conservative majority for years to come. And they also believe it could galvanise support around Donald Trump, both now and on election day. And if people are talking about this, they're not talking about the US reaction to COVID, about unemployment, or about healthcare. All big issues before the death of a Supreme Court justice. Alan Fisher, Al Jazeera, Washington.